Today, making high-quality digital prints on fabric is easier than ever. With digital printing technology, you can customize and create endless design options for everyday clothes, high-end fashion, and home textile applications. Epson's digital pigment printing solution is simple, smart, environmentally friendly, and flexible. There are several key steps in Epson's Pigment Ink digital printing process: fabric preparation, pre-treatment, print and dry, fixation, and optional post-treatment. Before pre-treating the fabric, it's necessary to check the fabric's condition. The quality of digital printing may be negatively impacted due to fleece and dust, requiring refining and bleaching of the fabric, polishing, and/or spinning. It is recommended to use a stentor to treat the fabric to prevent curves, curling, and other issues from happening during the pre-treatment process. For knitted fabric specifically, it's important to make sure the edges are glued to prevent curling. After the fabric is ready, it will be pre-treated before printing. Applying pre-treatment to the fabric improves image quality, resulting in stronger colors and the ability to print finer details. Application of pre-treatment can also improve wash and rub fastness. To use Pre-Gen PCC, a pigment printing pre-treatment liquid developed by Epson, dilute about 5 to 10% of the liquid with water, depending on the fabric. After applying the pre-treatment to the fabric, dry it at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius for about 1 minute. The combination of Epson's Pigment Ink and Pre-Gen PCC pre-treatment liquid creates a strong bond between the ink and the fabric, providing high color intensity, brightness, and fastness. Start by loading the prepared fabric onto the printer. Set the printing surface of the fabric to face up while maintaining tension and making sure the fabric is in a straight line. If the fabric is set incorrectly, it may become twisted and cause issues during printing. After setting the fabric, you can print images using Epson Edge Print Textile software. You can repeat or adjust patterns and apply fabric profiles to ensure that the color and print quality of the fabric are optimized for printing. Epson's 8-printhead direct-to-fabric printer, the MonaLisa 8000, is capable of printing at speeds between 108 to 162 square meter per hour, depending on the design, and supports up to 1200 dpi resolution. Epson-developed pigment inks ensure bright and accurate colors on a wide variety of fabrics. After printing, the fabric is dried at a temperature of 70 to 100 degrees Celsius, depending on the fabric. Unlike digital direct-to-fabric printing with dye-based inks, printing with pigment does not require steaming and washing to fix the ink to the fabric. This creates the opportunity to reduce operating costs, shorten working hours, and reduce water consumption and pollution. Pigment inks can be fixed to the fabric using only a calendar press, enabling customers to enter the direct-to-fabric printing market with a more affordable upfront investment. The pigment ink is fixed to the fabric using a calendar press that is set at a temperature of 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 seconds. Pigment ink can be fixed using direct heat, so the fixation process can be completed more quickly compared to dye-based inks. As a result, you can check the color and quality of the final product quickly, enabling print shops to respond to the demands of fast fashion. Depending on the fabric, it may turn yellow due to the application of heat. To help prevent the fabric from turning yellow, non-woven fabric or thin paper can be used. For difficult-to-handle fabric, the fixation process may need to be outsourced to a company with a stentor. Additional optional post-treatment processes may also be completed at the request of the customer. Post-treatment processes can be applied to improve the fastness and/or softness of the fabric. To improve the fastness and touch of the printed fabric, post-treatment chemicals can be applied. To complete this step, dilute the fixer and softener liquid sold by Epson with water. Apply the mixture using a stentor and dry the fabric at 160 degrees Celsius for about 3 minutes. This process can also be outsourced for companies that do not have a stentor machine. The air tumbler machine offers another process to enhance the hand feel of the printed fabric. After soaking the fabric with silicone and softener, the air tumbler works to improve the touch of the fabric. This process is especially effective for natural fibers and blended fabrics. Air tumbler processing is another option to improve the hand feel of the fabric after printing. Epson's pigment printing solution provides high quality while using less time, water, and energy, and is environmentally friendly. Pigment ink is certified by Waco-Tex Eco Passport, an international safety standard for chemical substances in textile products, and approved by EcoCert, the Global Organic Textile Standard certification. Pigment ink can print on a wide variety of fabrics, including blends. It's an optimal way to enter and compete in the industrial textile sector with a simple, smart, and sustainable production process.